Hello and thank you. I want to start off by telling you a little bit about myself. I'm Mary Margaret Zinger and I'm 16 years old. I go to Sir Wilfrid Laurier Secondary School where I'm in the French immersion program. In my free time, I volunteer with Special Olympics London, which is, I'm a soccer coach with athletes with intellectual disabilities, and I'm very passionate about my volunteering. As I mentioned, I'm 16 years old and I'm a new driver on London streets. I'd like to make the drive a little easier on everyone by encouraging other modes of transportation. First, we can make busing easier and more affordable for youth by lowering the price of LTC City Pass, which is currently at $81 a month, or turning the cheaper post-secondary pass into a student pass, including high school students. This would promote the use of LTC, bringing in more potential profits. Another mode of transportation I'd like to encourage is biking. By making more bike paths and cleaning up our parks, we're beautifying our city and encouraging a greener way to get around. The adjustments to our LTC system and bike paths would decongest our streets and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Speaking of the environment, I'd like to bring a green bin system to the city's attention, something that is a long time overdue. The amount of trash thrown out will be dramatically reduced when both organic and recycled materials have been sorted from it. Cities like Sudbury have adapted well to this, and I believe that it will be well worth it in the long run. And finally, as a youth representative, it is my peers that I want to get involved with. Youth is our city's future, and I want to get them as excited as possible about where they live. I have a lot of ideas about bringing London together as a community to work as one as a positive power. I'd like to have an annual scavenger hunt that would benefit London. Every year, a charitable organization will be the recipient of the pledges collected by participants, and tasks would include park cleanups and volunteering. Making volunteering with an organization of their choice one of the tasks, youth will be exposed to new opportunities and add to their mandatory 40 hours required to receive their high school diploma. Also, by designating areas that may be used for graffiti, youth will be able to express themselves in a positive way that will no longer be seen as vandalism. Ideas like this will get kids my age and older more excited about the city that they live in. I'm young, but I don't want to be discredited for that. I believe my ideas appeal to the whole age spectrum, and I'm proud to be one of these Londoners, and I'd be even more proud to represent our city. Thank you very much.